Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back from break. We're going to continue with June 2021, question 3, a question on trigonometry. And to begin with, we have to show that sine of 3a minus sine a divided by cos 3a minus cos a is equal to tan a. So we need to start thinking of what possibly we can do to show that the left hand side here is equal to right hand side. So I'm going to be working with the left hand side and make sure that the left hand side gives us tan of a. So to resolve this problem, we can think of this identity. Sine of a certain p minus sine q. This is expressed as 2 cos p plus q on 2, then sine p minus q on 2. Then also because in denominator we have cos p minus cos q, can also be expressed as 2 cos of p plus q on 2, then cos again of p minus q on 2. So now substituting this into these two equations, top and bottom, we're going to have as sine 3a minus sine a is going to give us 2 cos. Now 3a plus a over 2, then sine 3a minus a on 2. We divide. Now cos 3a minus cos a will be 2 cos 3a plus a on 2 cos of 3a minus a on 2. Now 3a plus a is 4a on 2 is 2a. Exactly. So we have 2 cos 2a sine 2 cos 2a sine a. First of all, the 2's are going to cancel. So we are going to have this. In the denominator, we are going to have cos 2a cos a, and this is going to be, in fact, this is going to resolve to sine a over cos a, which is equal to tan a as required. We have that f of theta is equal to sine theta minus root 3 cos theta, and we have to express this in the form r sine theta minus lambda. So we need to express this as r times, now sine theta minus lambda is the same as sine theta cos lambda minus sine lambda cos theta. This is an identity. So now it means this is the same as r sine theta cos lambda minus r sine lambda cos theta. Now we compare comparing this equation with f of x, we have the coefficient of sin theta here as 1 and the coefficient of sin theta here as r cos theta. So I'm going to have that r cos theta, r cos lambda is equal to 1, equation 1. Now, on the other hand, the coefficient of cos theta here is r sine lambda. R sine lambda. The coefficient there is root 3. We have equation 2. Now, what do we need to do? First and foremost, you square equation 1 and square equation 2. So let's have equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. If you square equation 1 and equation 2, you're going to have r squared equal to 4. Yes. That means you square this one, you have r squared cos squared alpha. R squared cos squared lambda equal to 1. And so here you have r squared sine squared lambda equal to 1. And so you are going to have that r squared into sine squared lambda plus cos squared lambda equal to 1 square plus root 3 square, that's 3, which is equal to 4. And so now this is 1. Cos square lambda plus sine square lambda is 1. So you simply have that r squared is equal to 4 as I have here. Now from there, you have that r is equal to the square root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. But they told us that r has to be a positive constant. So r is equal to 2. We leave out the negative. Now we use the value of r to find the angle alpha. We can divide equation 2 by equation 1, and this gives us r sine lambda divided by r cos lambda equal to root 3. Very good. And so this arrow cancels off. Like this. And then we have that tan lambda is equal to root 3. And so lambda is the tan inverse of root 3. So the tan inverse of root 3 is pi on 3. So we have that lambda is equal to pi on 3. Now we express, it means we are expressing the form r sine theta minus lambda. What is r? R is 2. So 2 sine theta minus lambda pi on 3. So this is how we express it. Then the question continues. Hence, find a general solution of the equation. Okay, now let us find the general solution of sin theta minus root 3 cos theta equal to root 2. And this sin theta minus root 3 cos theta, we have it as f of theta. F of theta is equal to sin theta minus root 3 cos theta. But this same f of theta has been expressed as 2 sine of theta minus pi on 3. Good. So now we are finding the general solution of 2 sine theta minus pi on 3 equal to root 2. And so we are going to have that sine theta minus pi on 3 is equal to root 2 on 2. So what is the PV? The principal value is the sine inverse of root 2 on 2. And this principal value is theta minus pi on 3. The sine inverse of root 2 on 2 gives us pi on 4. So now we go to the general solution. The general solution for the function, the general solution for the sine function is pi n plus -1 to the power n pb. So we have that theta is equal to pi n plus -1 to the power n, and the pb is pi on 4. But now what is our theta here? Our theta here is in the form theta minus pi on 3. Good. So theta minus pi on 3 is equal to pi n plus -1 to the power n pi on 4. So now we are going to have finally that theta is equal to pi n plus -1 to the power n times pi on 4, then plus pi on 3. This is the general solution of the equation f of theta equal to root 2.